Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mayank and today we are going to create an awesome anime character, Tanjiro. Let's do it. We will start drawing circle with the help of any object. I have these. Now we will divide the circle by vertical line and once again by horizontal line. We will divide the lower half circle in half by horizontal line. In this way we get the position for the eyes. Mark both sides and divide both sides of the circle equally. Now when you divide these marks equally, you will got the boxes for the eyes. Now divide these boxes diagonally. A drawing of an anime character's eye could be tricky. That is why I have created graphic for you. You can refer this graphic how I have break down the eye shape in 9 different lines like a ninagon. Have patience when you drawing eye because it required perfection. And draw the circle for the iris and you will have the perfect eye. Repeat the same process for the right side of the eye. Make a circle for a pupil and congratulations, you have the one pair of the perfect eye. For the position of the nose, we will mark this lower part of the circle from the middle and create a triangle. And now under this triangle we can draw the nostril lines. After erasing extra lines, we have a nose. In the process of making jawline, we will extend the circle in the same proportion of the lower part of the circle like this way. For the chin, make a mark a bit above of this lower line. Connect these dots and also connect these two. On the bottom of the circle, we can draw the mouth. For the jawline corner, we will draw the vertical line from here till the lip line. Keep these lines a bit curvy, like one face should have. Apply same method for right side of the jaw. For the eyebrows, we will divide the upper part of the circle and then divide this lower part too. Draw the eyebrow like inverted right mark like this way. On the top of the eyes, we will draw the crease created by the upper lids. Give some shades to the eye. Draw the hairline like the zigzag shape. Now this is the time to create that iconic mark on Tanjiro's head, which is called demon slash mark. As you can see, this mark is mix of straight and curvy lines. After making this, we are done with all the difficult parts of the face. Now this is the time to create Tanjiro's ears with the iconic Hanafude earrings that have been passed down the generations for the several centuries. The hair would be created a diamond shaped exterior. The right way of creating hair, which is C and S curve. Thank you for watching this tutorial on drawing Tanjiro. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more exciting content. Keep practicing and see you in the next video.